Hey everyone, I'm Amare Asmamaw from School of Infinity, and today I'm going to show you how spending just 1 extra minute on your videos can lead to exponential growth for your channel. Sounds tiny, right? But here's the crazy part. A simple 1% improvement doesn't just add up, it multiplies. Over time, that 1% compounds into 70% more views in a year. Now, imagine stacking 12 steps that each boost your performance by 1%. We're not talking about small change. We're talking transformation. Stick with me as I break down 12 easy, powerful steps to skyrocket your growth and show you exactly how much time each takes and why it's worth every second. Oh, and before we dive in, hit that like button and subscribe to School of Infinity. It's the best way to make sure this growth-focused content keeps coming your way. Let's get started. 1. Optimize keywords. The foundation of discoverability. Your videos might be hidden because YouTube doesn't quite know what they're about. While the algorithm is getting smarter, we still need to give it clear signals. That's where keywords come in. Here's what you need to do. Use free tools like vidIQ or TubeBuddy to analyze tags from similar videos. Use AI to scan your script for potential keyword suggestions. Even basic AI tools can help. Create a blend of specific and broad keywords. This helps the algorithm understand your niche while also reaching a wider audience. Pro tip. Start researching keywords during your video's ideation phase. This helps with titles, thumbnails, and optimizing content from the start. 2. Leverage your descriptions like a pro. Descriptions matter more than you think. Naturally incorporate your research keywords into sentences that flow. For example, instead of keyword stuffing, write something like, in this video, we're breaking down 12 simple YouTube SEO strategies that can boost views by 1% per step, compounding into massive growth over time. See, it's seamless but impactful for both viewers and YouTube's algorithm. 3. Name your files with SEO in mind. Stop uploading video_final_v3, MP4. Instead, use a descriptive file name like YouTube SEO Tips Growth, MP4. Even though it's a small tweak, it helps YouTube understand your content from the moment you upload. 4. Channel keywords for long-term gains. There's a hidden gem in YouTube Studio. Go to Settings, Channel, Basic Info, and add keywords that define your content, like YouTube SEO, Content Growth, Creative Strategies. This is a one-time setup, but the benefits last indefinitely. 5. Unlock Google traffic with chapters. Google loves showcasing YouTube chapters as search results, so don't skip this step. Add timestamped chapters to your descriptions and include relevant keywords.
For the video, click on the Details option. Scroll down, you will see Automatic Chapters. In this, tick on Allow Automatic Chapters and Key Moments. Then Save Changes. Now you will see chapter titles appear at the bottom of the description. You can also enable this all your upcoming videos are old videos by the following steps. In the studio, tap on Settings. Select Upload Defaults. Here select Advanced Settings. Now click on Allow Automatic Chapters and Key Moments. Then Save Changes. Now you will see chapter titles appear at the bottom of the description.
Words
to add
for
chapters
maximum
manually,
visibility. Tools like TubeBuddy make this process quick and easy. 6. End screens and cards. Keep viewers watching. One of the easiest ways to grow your channel is to encourage viewers to watch another video. Use end screens and cards strategically. Link to videos that expand on the current topic. And here's a power move. Mention the next video in your script to create excitement and anticipation. 7. Playlist links, the secret hack. Instead of linking to a single video, link to it through a playlist. Why? Because playlists keep viewers engaged longer, letting your content autoplay. It's a simple trick that works wonders. 8. Don't forget pinned comments. Use pinned comments to drive engagement. Ask a question like, what's your #1 YouTube struggle? Or share a bonus tip. Pinning a comment shows viewers where to start interacting. 9. Schedule smarter, not harder. Timing matters. Upload your video 24 hours in advance or at least overnight to give YouTube time to process metadata. Use tools like vidIQ or TubeBuddy to find your best posting times. 10. Engage with your community tab. Don't just announce new videos. Share bloopers, polls, or interesting behind-the-scenes content. Give your community something they can't resist engaging with. GIFs and images are especially effective for grabbing attention. 11. A/B test thumbnails wisely. Thumbnails are the first thing viewers notice. If a video underperforms, update its thumbnail after 3 to 7 days. Don't spend time testing on every video. focus on the ones that need a boost. 12. Bonus tip, focus on cross-promotion. If you have an engaged audience on another platform, direct them to your YouTube videos. But don't spread yourself thin. Focus on YouTube and one relationship platform, like an email list. By now, you can see how these small tweaks add up to huge results. Spending just 70 minutes a week on these optimizations can transform your channel, compounding into 362x growth over a year. If you found value in these tips, hit that like button, share this video, and subscribe to School of Infinity for more growth hacks. I'm Amare Asmamaw, and I'll see you in the next video where we'll take your content strategy to the next level. The journey to your YouTube success starts now.